Good morning, everybody. This is Kevin Cahill from the Irish American Club of Berkshire County, and I join you, as we usually do this morning, from the beautiful studios of Pittsfield Community Radio, WTBR 89.7 FM. I'm flying solo today. Farmer has something else to do, so I planned a show around our upcoming St. Patrick's Day events here at the Irish American Club of Berkshire County. We'll be hearing from the Pogues. We'll be hearing from Micro Disney, Thin Lizzy. The Kinvara from Declan O'Rourke, which we haven't heard from in a while, as well as the Tannehill Weavers. So I hope you enjoyed the show this morning, and we're going to be starting off with the Pogues.
When I first came to London, I was only 16, with a fiver in my pocket and my old dancing bag. I went down to the Dilly to check out the scene, but I soon ended up upon the old main drag. There the he-males and the she-males paraded in style, and the old man with the money would flash you a smile. In the dark of an alley, you would work for a five, for a swift one up the wrist, down on the old main drag. In the cold winter nights, the old town it was chill, but there were boys in the cafes who'd give you cheap pills. If you didn't have the money, you'd cajole and you'd beg. There was always lots of chewing on the old main drag. One evening as I was lying down in Leicester Square, I was picked up by the coppers and kicked in the balls. Between the metal doors at Vine Street, I was beaten and mauled, and I ruined my good looks for the old main drag. In the tube station, the old ones who were on the way out would dribble and vomit and grovel and shout, and the coppers would come along and push them about, and I wished I could escape from the old main drag. And now I am lying here, I have had too much booze. I've been spat on and shat on and raped and abused. I know that I am dying, and I wish I could beg for some money to take me from the old main drag.
Her face in the photograph, and I dream of a happy day when I'd be moving back. was a stable girl, then a teacher of youth. Came the day I came home. We moved into the city, both of us over 16. Can we sleep alone? We can sleep alone. One horse overboard. We do what we want. It struck me about this time that I just didn't care. So I said, get me to another land. I don't want my wife. Can we sleep alone? My wife is a horse. Poor old sailor boy, beached forevermore. As I was going over the Cork and Kerry mountains, I saw Captain Pharaoh and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol and then produced my rapier. I said, stand or deliver, or the devil, he may take you. Push your ring, dama-do-dama-da. Wait for my daddy-o. Wait for my daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar-o. I took all of his money, and it was a pretty penny. I took all of his money, and I brought it home to Molly. She swore that she loved me, never would she leave me. But the devil take that woman, for you know she treat me easy. Push your ring, dama-do-dama-da. Wait for my daddy-o. Wait for my daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar-o. chamber, taking my Molly with me, and I never knew the danger. For about 6 or maybe 7, in one captain's barrel, I jumped up, fired up my pistols, and I shot him with both barrels. Mushering, dum-a-doo-dum-a-da. Wait for my daddy-o. Wait for my daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. And some men like a violin, and some men like to hear a cannonball rolling. But me, I like sleeping, especially in my Molly's chamber. But here I am in prison, here I am with a ball and chain, yeah. Much a ring, dum-a-doo-dum-a-da. Wait for my daddy-o. Wait for my daddy-o. There's whiskey in the jar. And I got drunk on whiskey. And I love
The very best from Thin Lizzy there. Whiskey in the Jar. Long version of that. And before that, we heard from Micro Disney, Dublin band, from their The Clock Comes Down the Stairs album with Horse Overboard. I'm not sure what that's about, but that's the song. And before that, we heard from the Pogues from Run Sodomy and the Lash with the Old Main Drag. Now, the Irish American Club of Berkshire County is celebrating St. Patrick's Day this year on a Saturday, March 16th. The event will take place at the Elks Lodge on Union Street in Pittsfield, as we have for the past bunch of years. The buffet will feature corned beef and ham and bangers. For those of you who are sausage fans, there'll be hors d'oeuvres, of course. I'm expecting a capacity crowd of 100, 110, so reservations are a must. We'll be entertained by the Breffney O'Rourke School of Irish Dance and also by Melissa Brinton with Irish ballads and folk music. So for more information or to purchase tickets, give me a call, Kevin Cahill, at 413-770-7512. That's Kevin Cahill at 413-770-7512. And I'll let you know who's going to be the Irish American of the Year.
dark summer nights on his racing bike, your great-granda might go killing. When art classes were done in Galway town, cycled home the miles between, and the moon overhead led him home as he sped, till the stars over Kinvara said welcome home. Long before I ran to be your old man, I dreamed of living here, where Atlantic waves neath Dungura's gaze keep the air so fresh and clear. I was 25 when I first laid eyes on where I knew I'd find my children's eyes, and the stars over Kinvara said welcome home. That first night I drove you and Mommy home, I pulled over in Ballandereen. I just had to pull in, I had never seen such a sky of gems that gleamed. Orion was out, and the starry plough, all the night was on display, over the burren, the road and the bay. There were 10 more lights that shone, for each one of our own passed on, and I dreamed that my go-to was shining down on you, when the stars over Kinvara said welcome home. When the stars over Kinvara said welcome home.
Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee. I'm so in love, I cannot deny it. My heart lies smothered all in my breast. It's not for me but to let the world know it. A troubled mind sure can't know no rest. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down wish I was in some lonesome valley where a woman's kind cannot be found, where the pretty small birds, they change their voices, and every moment a different sound. Oh, Peggy Gordon, you are my darling. Come sit you down upon my knee and tell to me the very reason why I am slighted so by thee, why I am slighted so by thee.
And this is Kevin Cahill. Welcome back to the Sunday Sounds of Ireland. That song, well known, Peggy Gordon, comes from a CD I received, purchased, that does not identify any of the performers. They're all live. And the name of the album is Songs of Ireland. You just heard Peggy Gordon. And before that, we heard from Declan O'Rourke from his album Arrivals. He's one of my favorite Irish balladeers, with the stars over Kinvara, a very, very nice song. And before that, we heard from an instrumental from a Welsh band called Griffin and Company, with their instrumental version of The Rocky Road to Dublin. And I just wanted to remind people again that our Irish-American St. Patrick's Day celebration will take place on Saturday, March 16th. Doors open at 5:30. We will be served a corned beef and ham buffet with bangers, my favorites. Lots of hors d'oeuvres. The Breffni School of Irish Dance will be entertaining us. Melissa Brinton will also be singing Irish ballads and folk music. And this year, the Irish American Club of Berkshire County is proud to honor William Bill Sturgeon as the Irish American of Year. I don't need to tell you all the many things that Bill has done for this community. We'll try not to mention all of them that evening. But congratulations to Bill Sturgeon for becoming the 2024 Berkshire County Irish American of the Year.
On the Braes O'Mar is up and streaming rarely. The gathering pipe on Loch Nagar is sounding loud and surly. The healing men for Helen Glen, with belted blades and glittering blades, the bonnets blue and hats say true, coming late and early. Her prince has made a noble vow to free his country fairly. What would be a traitor now to Wayne we lose it dearly? We'll go and seek the Bob Islanders, see where they'll be. Then man to man and in the van we'll win or die with Charlie. The standard on the Braes O'Mar is up and streaming rarely. The gathering pipe on Loch Nagar is sounding loud and surly. The healing men for Helen Glen, with belted blades and glittering blades, the bonnets blue and hats say true, coming late and early. Her prince has made a noble vow to free his country fairly. What would be a traitor now to Wayne we lose it dearly? We'll go and seek the Bob Islanders, see where they'll be. And man to man and in the van we'll win or die with Charlie. I saw a jeep come out of hell way drumming and Glengarry, through the pass came brave Lochiel, Pandur and Gallantmoney.
MacDonald's men, Clonronald's men, Mackenzie's men, McGilvery's men, Strathallan's men, the Lowlands men, Callender and Derley.
A prince has made a noble vow to be his country fairly. What would be its rates and now to him lose so dearly? Go, we'll go and seek the foe, our land or sea, where'er they be. Man to man and in the van, well, when I die for Charlie.
Standard on the Braes o' Mar is up and streaming rarely. The gathering pipe on Loch Nagar is sounding loud and surly. Heelan land to Helen Glen, the belted blades, the glittering blades, honest blue and hot say true, coming late and early. To Helen Glen, the belted blades, the glittering blades, honest blue and hot say true, we'll win or die for Charlie.
The Battlefield Band there. The Hook of Holland, the name of the song. Dominic McGowan featured on the accordion. And before that, we heard from, I have another compilation album, actually an old one. I don't know where I got it, but we heard from Mary Black with her version of Aran Patabaya, a long version of that song. Sinead Murray's on this album as well. Anne Mulqueen, Mary O'Sullivan, Dolores Keane, Breedna Cahan, Nancy Roach, Eileen Nabegley, Marie Taggart, and Anna Marie McDonough. It's a lot of songs on this album. It looks great. So we'll be hearing more from that in the next few weeks. And now we're going to hear from our good friends on O'Neill's March.
Best of saints, sinners make the best saints. Sinners make the best of saints. So they say, so they say. Take this, take everything, take all of this away from me. You know everything, and you know all of my favorite mistakes. Sinners make the best of saints. Sinners make the best saints. Sinners make the best of saints. So they say. So they say. Wash my hands clean. Take this, take all of this from me. 'Cause I know sinners, we make the best saints. Sinners make the best of saints. So they say. So they say. They say that if I get down on my knees and humbly ask that I will be set free. But I know sinners, we make the best of saints. And you know all of my favor and mistakes.
And while you're listening to the UCD Choral Scholars, and before that you heard Lucy Farr and Jimmy Power with the High Reels. You heard from Amish with the title on their Sinners Like the Best Saints album, and also O'Neill's Melody. And this is Kevin Cale signing off for another week. Please listen to our show again next week, and please listen to all the locally produced programming here at WTBR 89.7 Pittsfield Community Radio. Gurama Ugat Ugastihi Shahugan.